I love a good cup of tea, but I have my quirks and I like it with milk poured last. Okay, but what blew my mind was this very quirk led to the invention of modern statistics. Okay, hear me out. So, this was 1920s England, and a scientist named Ronald Fisher was at a party, and another scientist, Muriel Bristol, made this bold claim. She said, I can tell if you poured the milk first or the tea first. And most people thought this was ridiculous because same ingredients and how could the order possibly matter, right? But Fisher was curious, so he prepared 8 cups of tea, four with milk first and four with tea first, and presented them in a random order. And her job was to identify which four had milk poured first. Now, here's the key insight. Fisher asked if she's just guessing, what are the odds she gets all four correct? It is 8 chooses 4, right? If there are exactly 70 different ways to pick 4 cups out of 8, only one combination is right. So if she's guessing 1 in 70, about 1.4%. But guess what happened? She guessed all 8 cups right. This is where Fisher changed science forever and he introduced a way of thinking called null hypothesis. So think of it like a courtroom. You start by assuming innocent. Here, in this case, she has no special ability and she's just guessing. That is your null hypothesis, innocent until proven guilty. And the data becomes your evidence. You ask, if she's just guessing, how likely is this result? And if the answer is extremely unlikely, like 1 in 70, the evidence is strong enough. So you reject the null, and something really is probably happening. So the math has to say this is too rare to be chance. And Fisher gave us a way to measure strong enough. And this is how today we test everything. Does this drug work or is it placebo? Is this vaccine effective or just luck? Is this business strategy actually working or are we fooling ourselves? So start with nothing is happening and then let the data prove you wrong.